Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Hasifa Putri Maharani, Class Management 22A, NPM 2241131. In this video is want to tell you about capital market. First, understanding capital market are essential component of the global financial system where individual business and government can raise and invest funds. This market provides a platform for the buying and selling of various financial instruments, primarily stock, bonds, and other securities. Understanding capital markets is crucial for investor, business, policy market, and anyone interested in finance and economy. Next, benefit of capital market. Some of the key advantages of capital market include: number one, access to capital. Business, government, and other entities can raise funds by issuing stock or bond in the capital market. This access to capital allows them to finance the growth, research, and development in infrastructure projects and other initiatives. Next, FX resource allocation. Capital markets help allow financial resources to their mass product use. Investors allocate their capital to the companies and the project they believe will generate the best returns, contributing to economic efficiency. Next, investment opportunities. Capital markets provide a wide range of investment opportunities for individuals and institutions. Investors can diversify their portfolios and potentially earn returns on their investment through stock, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and other financial instruments. Next, liquidity. Secondary markets within the capital market provide liquidity, enabling investors to buy and sell securities relatively easily. This liquidity is essential for investors to exit their positions when needed and to price discovery. Next, price discovery. Capital markets facilitates the price discovery process, helping determine the fair market value of assets. Prices reflect supply and demand dynamic and provide valuable information to investors and market participants. Next, risk management. Investors can use capital market to manage or mitigate risks. For example, they can hedge against price fluctuation using derivatives or diversify their portfolios to spread risks. Next, capital market objective. The primary objective of capital markets are two. Number one, facilitates capital formation. Capital market profit apply from for business and government to raise long-term capital by using various financial instruments like stock and bonds. This capital is essential to investments in project expansion and economic development. Next, efficient allocation of capital. Capital market help allocation capital to its most product and efficient use. Investor allocate their fund to business that they believe in generate the best return in investment. This efficient allocation of capital help promote economic growth. Next, liquidity. Capital market provide liquidity into investors, allowing them to buy and sell financial instruments easily. This liquidity is essential for investors to adjust their portfolios, manage risk, and access their funds when needed. Next, price discovery. capital market play a role in determining the price of financial instruments. Through the interaction of supply and demand, prices are established reflecting of market perception of the value of this asset. This price discovery mentioned is essential for transparency and value valuation. Next, risk diversification. Capital market allow investors to diversify this portfolio across a wide range of assets, reducing risk by not putting all their eggs in one basket. Diversification helps manage risks and potential increases returns. Next, transparency and regulation. Capital markets are subject to regulatory oversight to ensure fair and transparent trading. Regulation aim to protect investors, maintain market integrity, and prevent fraudulent activity. Next, types of capital. There are two primary types of capital market. Number one, primary capital market. It is the primary capital market where newly issued securities are bought and sold for the first time. It is the initial point and issuance and investment for company and government looking to raise capital. Number two, type of security in the primary capital market include initial public offerings, bond, and other instruments. Number three, investors in the primary market purchase these securities directly from the issuer, and the fund raised go to the issuer to fund their activities of project. Next, the primary capital market help business raise money to invest in the project or pay off debts. Second capital market. Number one, the second capital market is where previously issued securities, which have already been through the primary market, are bought and sold among investors. Number two, in the secondary market, investors trade securities with each other, and the issuer does not receive funds from this transaction. Number three, the secondary market provides liquidity to investors by allowing them to buy or sell securities of prevailing market price. Next, within these two primary types of capital market, there are various subcategories and specialist markets such as Number one, and stock market, a type of secondary market where stock equities are bought and sold. It allows investors to own a share of a company and potential profit from its success. Number two, bond market, a secondary market for trading bonds, which are debt securities by government, corporation, or other entities to raise capital. Commodity market, a market for trading commodities such as oil, gold, agricultural product, and more. This market can be primary and secondary depending on the context. Next, foreign exchange or forex market. A global marketplace for trading currency where participants exchange one currency for another, typical for financial and economic process. Next, derivatives market. This market involves financial instruments derived from an underlying asset index or reference rate include future option and swap and is used for risk management and speculation. Number 6, private equity and venture capital markets. This market involve investment in private companies and startups. Investor profit capital in exchange for ownership stakes, and this market can be considered part of the primary capital market. Last, real estate market involves the buying and selling of properties, include residential, commercial, and industrial real estate.